Hello everyone. Today's topic is India People and Economy, chapter Planning and Sustainable Development in India Context, subject Geography, class 12. Slide 1. Planning is the process of thinking, formulation of a scheme of program and implementation of a set of actions to achieve some goal. There are two types of approaches, sectorial planning and regional planning. India started 5-year plans and annual plans. Target area planning. This plan take care of economically backward areas based on resources. Government introduced the following programs under Slide 2. This picture explains planning and sustainable development in India context. Slide 3. Target area planning. Command area development program, drought prone area development program, desert development program, hill area development program, the Small Farmers Development Agency 6, Marginal Farmers Development Agency. Hill Area Development Program started during 5th plan, covered 15 districts of UTTAN, WB and TN. National Committee on the Development of Backward Area in 1981 recommended this program. Slide 4. Selected the area above 600 meters, covered tribal regions. Objectives are horticulture, plantation, animal husbandry, etc. Drought prone area development programming started during 4th plan. Objectives employment, creating productive assets, land development programming, afforestation, grassland development, electricity, road, market, credit facility. Slide 5. There is a picture explains environment, sustainable renewable growth and etc. Slide 6. Integrated Watershed Development Program, restoration of ecological balance between water, soil, plants and animals. Covered 67 districts. Case study Tribal Development Program, Berhampur Tribal Region located in Chamberi district of HP, inhabited by Gandhi tribes. They practice transhumance. Total area is 1818 square kilometer, 1500 to 3700 meters altitude. Ravi and its tributaries drain this region. Slide 7. There are 4 physiographic regions. They are Holi, Kani, Kuchti, Tundha. Harsh climate, low resource base, fragile environment, 20 square kilometer density. Most economically backward, socio-economic deprivation. Objectives transport and communication, agriculture, allied activities, socio-economic services, education, health, potable water, electricity. Efforts of ITDP. Slide 8. There is a picture which explains about International Journal of Sustainable Development and Planning. Slide 9. Increase literary rate, sex ratio, female literacy, reduce gender inequality, shift to cash crops. Sustainable development. Development that needs of present without compression the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. It takes care of ecological, social, economic aspects of present and pleasures for conservation of resource for future. Slide 10. Case study. Indira Gandhi Canal Command Area, Rajasthan Canal, one of the largest canal system in India. Started in 1948, launched on 31/3/1958. Started in 2 stages, Stage 1 1960 and Stage 2 1980. Problems: siltation, water logging. Steps take to solve the problems: productive irrigation, no water incentive crops, lining of water courses, reclamation of water logging areas, afforestation, etc. Slide 11. Thank you everyone.